so that you can cook meals and then serve them?
Yeah. Let me get my grocery bag.
Okay.
So, Mama, what do you want me to cook?
Should we have some fruit for our picnic?
Sure. Nope.
I see an apple in there.
No, but we can. You know, since this is a raw apple, we have to cook it.
Okay.
Actually, I just need a pan.
This.
Then I'm going to serve 2 apples for grown-ups. Just for grown-ups.
Okay.
They're going to be 2 different colors.
Neat. Very Christmassy. Red and green.
Red and green. We'll have to take that one. There. We're going to need a fork or a spoon.
I'll go for a spoon.
Do you want to spoon that?
Sure.
So, okay. I'm stirring the apples with my spoon. I'm loving another one for you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I prepared it.
Okay.
It sounds like this one is for you.
You think so?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Does it say Emily?
Does
Or
it?
Emily?
It says to Daniel. Can you give that to Daddy?
Here. There, Dad.
Why don't you actually give it to him, sweetie?
Here.
Thanks.
I'm gonna play with this.
Okay. Careful of the tree.
What?
You're kind of bumping into the tree there. Whoop. Bless you. Bless you.
Why does Frank sneeze?
I guess his nose itched. Should Daddy open his present?
Open your present, Dad.
Oh, okay. Should I stop taking the video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stellan, can you put that trash in here?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you some water.
Oh, thanks.
Welcome. Well, I'm gonna get some pretend water from here.
Alrighty.
I dropped it. Huh?
Yeah.
This cup is for you.
Thank you, sweetie.
This cup is for you, Dad.
Thanks.
That is good water.
Your apples are ready.
Oh, great.
We'll serve the apples onto a plate.
Okay.
And in case you need a napkin, they're right there.
Oh, thanks.
I'll bring you a napkin. Here you go.
Thanks, bud.
Ooh, you've
Yeah,
got-
I think I've got a few extra plates there. Here, you take the bottom. Okay. I'll take this one. Thanks.
And here.
Oh boy, an empty plate.
Well, serve an apple.
Oh.
There.
Does
Thanks.
Daddy get a spoon?
Yes, he does. And in case you need a napkin, there. And in case you need a napkin, and there, right there.
Oh, can I have a napkin, please?
I'm sure. There.
Thank you, sweetie. Oh, this napkin matches my pajamas. Look at that.
That is one.
Sure, why not?
There.
Thank you.
There were 5 of us then. I'll use these cups. So since there's not, I can't use them.
Well, do you want to serve yourself something?
Yeah. Well, look at me.
Here's another apple.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
It's just like a real restaurant.
Who wants this cup?
I don't know. Whoa. Oh, sorry, Frank. Oh, yeah, tummy scratch.
This cup.
Should that be your cup?
You could have 2. You could have 1 of milk and 1 of juice.
Here's some juice and here's water.
Okay. Daddy still hasn't opened his present.
Dad, open her present.
Oh, okay.